happy Monday. So today I wanted to do a productive Monday vlog. I'm also going to be unboxing the summer FabFitFun box in this video, which is super fun and I'm really excited. I used to do FabFitFun unboxings way back in the day in high school and I'm really excited to show you what they have in the box. I'm also just gonna take you along for my day. So it's like noon and I am actually eating my first meal of the day. I decided I'm going to start to try to do a little bit of the intermittent fasting. So where you eat in like 8 hours of the day. So I'll eat between like noon and 8, which is honestly like perfect time for me. And then the rest of the time you like just drink water or like liquids and you don't eat, which that's like, I feel like that's pretty normal. I just feel a lot better if I don't eat late, so I'm gonna try and do that. I'm eating my breakfast. It has been a busy morning. I actually got up and I edited this video for my IGTV, which I was really excited about. It's a nail video on how to apply like the press-on nails that I have on right now. I love the impressed nails so much, and a lot of people I feel like don't apply them right, so they don't last very long. I'll link it down below if you missed it. But yeah, I basically just did that. Again, it's like noon, so I am gonna eat and then I'm probably gonna get ready. I am working today. I also need to do some YouTube stuff and finish my laundry. I want to take pictures for Instagram. So it's gonna be a busy day, but it's gonna be a good one and I'm excited to take you guys along. Okay, I just got done getting ready. My hair and makeup is done for the day. I did my makeup look that I did in my last video, so if you haven't seen that, I'll link it down below. But the only thing I added was like a little eyeshadow wing. I thought it was different and fun. I just used the dark brown in the Makeup Revolution contour palette that I love, so yeah, but basically everything else is the same. And I picked out some outfits that I'm actually going to shoot photos in. So I'm going to change into the first outfit and take some pictures because I need some Instagram pictures on deck. I also picked like regular clothes today, which will be so nice because I feel like all of my pictures are in loungewear. So we got some jean shorts, some jeans, cute tops, stuff like that. Okay, so this is outfit number 1. It's pretty simple. I really like these jeans. They're from Target. And I have a bunch of rings on because this is going to be the picture for my nail video. So I want to make sure like I show my hands, show my rings, all that kind of stuff. Okay, move the camera so you guys can see better. But this is the next outfit I'm wearing. It's really simple. I'm just wearing this cute white bodysuit from Boohoo. And then these shorts are from the Impeccable Pig. I've had these forever. And this sweater is from Forever 21. So pretty simple. And then I'm just wearing this necklace that's red. That was my mom's. So I'm thinking for like this vibe, I'm gonna go with like a coffee cup and like something cute, like I don't know, we'll see. It'll probably be in the thumbnail of this video, honestly, because I think I'm gonna actually like wear this today as well. So yeah, I'm gonna go take that picture. Okay, this is my third and final outfit for photos, but this top is from Forever 21. These jeans are just some like mom style jeans from Target like usual, and I'm wearing the same red necklace. Okay, so I'm done shooting photos. I actually ended up hating the last outfit. Like, the outfit was cute, the execution of the picture, not so great. So I just changed back into these jeans and my cute little white bodysuit. And I am gonna sit at my desk. I have a call for a sponsorship in like 10 minutes. So I'm gonna go over some of the stuff that we're gonna talk about. And my lights are still on because I don't know, I just like it being really bright in here. And I'm eating a yogurt. It's just like an Activia. I've been eating some more probiotics and fiber, and this will help with that. So I'm just gonna eat that, drink my water, go over some stuff, and hop on the call. Stuff like this is pretty standard. Either I'll talk to my boss or I'll talk to people about sponsorships or my manager or like stuff like that throughout the week. So I really like to squash all of that stuff out in the beginning of the week, so on Mondays or Tuesdays. So yeah, I'm gonna go prep for my call. Well, I've been sitting here all day. I've been sitting in this way. Okay, so I'm done with my call and I put on a sweater because I was freezing, but I am going to be doing my FabFitFun unboxing. I haven't done one of these in so long, but this is their summer box and I'm super excited to unbox this. This video is in partnership with them, just so you guys know, we're all transparent here. And I do have a $10 off coupon code that I'll put on the screen and down below, as well as links to get the box if you want to get it for yourself. This thing is huge. That is one thing I do love about the FabFitFun box, is it's actually worth your money because you get so much product and it's all full size and way, like, it is worth way more than what you pay for. It looks like this, and basically the first thing on the top is this Green Chef meal kit. Oh, $90 off. Wow, I might have to look at that. But this is a $90 off plus free shipping for greenchef.com, which I guess it says that they're meal plans made for your lifestyle. So they have keto, palau, plant-powered, balanced living, and it's dinner. I think it's like one of those dinner meal prep kits. I've actually never done like a meal kit or like a dinner prep kit thing, so this would be really cool to try. And then in every box it also has this like little FabFitFun magazine. This is again their summer 2020 edition, and Gabby Douglas is on the front. So the first thing I'm seeing in here is some sunglasses, and these are from Tom's, which these look so freaking cute. Oh my gosh. Wow. I love these. I didn't even know I needed these in my life, but I do. Wow, these are so cute. Okay, again, these are from Tom's. I didn't even know that they made sunglasses, honestly. And then the next thing in the box is this serum. It looks like this is the Hydro Peptide Moisture Reset Phytonutrient Facial Oil, anti-wrinkle and restore. So I'm guessing it's just like a hydrating oil. It says it has flower extracts, avocado, and pumpkin oils. I don't know, the packaging looks really pretty. I don't think I've ever heard of this brand. Wow, this is really pretty packaging. Okay, the next thing in here looks like, oh, it's this. Oh my gosh, I've always wanted one of these so bad. This is a satin pillow sleeve, so it's called Silk, and basically it's just like better for your hair, better for your skin. It says on the back here it's designed to help you retain moisture in your skin and hair so you wake up looking and feeling refreshed. I'm excited. I need to open this actually. It is so soft. What the? I'm gonna have to try this tonight. So basically it's like a pillowcase. Oh, this is gonna be so cool. I've literally always wanted to try one of these. So the next thing I'm seeing in here is another skincare product. This is the Murad Essential C Cleanser. And I've actually never tried anything from Murad, but again, love me some skincare products. So I'm guessing this is just like a vitamin C, like brightening cleanser, but this product looks huge. Like, this is a huge cleanser. It almost is like the size of a shampoo bottle. It's so big. So I'm excited about this. I am probably not going to try any of these until I fully use up the products I have now, just so I don't like freak out my skin. But I'm really excited to try this. I've, again, never tried anything from Murad. If you have and it's good, let me know down below. Okay, the next thing in here is, oh yes, it's a roll-on fragrance oil from Riddle, I'm assuming. It's like R.DDLE, so I'm assuming that's Riddle. This is their original scent, it looks like. Yeah, it's called Original by Riddle. Oh my gosh, I don't even know. What does it smells like? Something that I know, but I can't put my finger on it, but it literally smells so good. You know when you just get hit with a wave of nostalgia and you're like, that smells so good. I'm so excited to add this to my little mini perfume collection. I've just like recently got into nicer perfumes. I usually only ever have like one and just call it good, and I use it until it's done and then I buy the same one over again. But this smells so good, and I didn't even know about this brand. So that's another good thing about boxes like this, is there's a lot of brands in here that I haven't tried or I didn't know existed and that are awesome. Okay, it looks like the last like product in here is the Taroko. I don't know how to say that, but this is a foot cream. It's Sicilian Blood Orange foot cream. Oh wow, that smells good. I'm gonna have to give myself a pedicure anyways because my toes are looking a little bit ratchet during quarantine. So this looks interesting. This is the Isaac Mizrahi. I butcher everything, but basically it just looks like it is a ceramic decorative vase. So I mean, I have so much decor, but who couldn't use more? Cute. Oh my gosh, look how pretty this is. This is so cute. It's like baby pink and white. Oh wow, this matches my room perfectly. I'll find somewhere to put it. It's really pretty though. And then lastly in the box is this Space beach towel. This looks really cool. It almost looks like galaxy-ish or like tie-dye-ish. Let me open it. Good Lord. Wow, this looks like a really nice, cute towel. Again, it's from Space. It's 100% cotton. It's made in India. That's what it says. I can't open anything nicely. Cute. I love the little fringe on the ends, but it's just like this really pretty tie-dye towel. This is so like on trend. So cute. I can't wait to take cute pictures at the beach or the pool when I'm allowed to go. So that's everything in my FabFitFun box. I hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing. Again, I'll have links to everything down in the description as well as with my coupon code. Thank you to FabFitFun for partnering with me on this video. And now I'm gonna go hop to the kitchen because I'm honestly really hungry and I really hope that dinner is ready. My room is a mess. There's stuff everywhere. There's stuff all over the floor. I gotta fold that. I don't know what's going on there. I'm gonna have to clean later after dinner. Should probably turn off these lights too. They're so bright, but I really like how bright it makes it in here because I only have that small window behind me. So now that dinner's done, I just put on some comfy clothes. I'm literally gonna wear this to bed tonight. So t-shirt, sweatpants, pretty much basically the same every single night. But I am going to get started on my laundry and clean my room and get all that stuff situated because it's like 7 and I just want to be able to get in bed relatively early and relax and like play Animal Crossing and watch Netflix. I'm actually gonna throw on a Netflix show I've been watching. I've been watching Hollywood. It's like a new Netflix original and it's so good. It's so good. So I'm gonna throw that on and fold my laundry. Alright, it is 8:30. It has been such a long day, but I got so much done, which is so nice. So now I am going to sit here with my Nintendo Switch and play Animal Crossing, and I'm going to watch my show, Hollywood, on Netflix. I finished The Mentalist, and it was so good. It is definitely one of my all-time favorite shows. I loved that show. It was so good. I'm so upset that it's over. Everyone who told me in the comments on here and on Instagram that it was amazing, you were so right. It was absolutely an incredible, incredible show. But yeah, I'm gonna sit here and play Animal Crossing. I just upgraded my Nook's Cranny, so it's bigger now, and I just got the Able Sisters. I feel like I got it so late for some reason compared to everyone else. I don't know why, but I'm working on making my island a 4-star island right now. I'm a 3-star, so hopefully we can get there. Last week I literally played it all week. Like, I feel like that's all I did after I was done with work, so I'm trying not to do that anymore. It's just so fun, I can't help it. But anyways, I'm gonna chill out, veg out, text my boyfriend, watch my show, you know, all that kind of stuff. Okay guys, it is much later. It has been hours. I played Animal Crossing way too long. It is almost midnight. I need to go to bed. But I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. If you're new here and you made it to the end, wow, thank you, congratulations. You should definitely hit the subscribe button and join the fam. I make new videos every single week. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Again, all the links and the discount code for FabFitFun will be down below, so make sure you go check that out. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.